Digital marketing is an essential skill in today's business landscape, and a crash course can set you on the path to success. Let's dive into the core components that make up this dynamic field. First, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. This is all about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. Imagine your website as a hidden gem. SEO is the treasure map that guides potential customers right to it. You'll want to focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, and building backlinks. Understanding how to optimize your content can dramatically increase your organic traffic. Next up is content marketing. This is where you create valuable content that attracts and engages your target audience. Think blogs, videos, infographics, and podcasts. The goal is to provide information that resonates with your audience while subtly promoting your brand. Quality content builds trust and establishes authority in your niche. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about storytelling. Then we have social media marketing. This is where you connect with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Each platform has its unique audience and style, so it's crucial to tailor your content accordingly. Engaging posts, eye-catching visuals, and authentic interactions can help you build a loyal community. Social media is not just a broadcasting tool, it's a conversation starter. Email marketing is another powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience, providing them with personalized content and offers. Building a solid email list is key. Use lead magnets like free ebooks or exclusive discounts to encourage signups. Once you have that list, segment your audience to send targeted messages that resonate with their interests. Let's not forget about pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. This is a way to get immediate visibility on search engines and social media. You bid on keywords, and when someone clicks on your ad, you pay a fee. It's a great way to drive traffic quickly, but it requires careful planning and analysis to ensure you're getting a good return on investment. Analytics is the backbone of digital marketing. Tools like Google Analytics provide insights into how your audience interacts with your content. You can track metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and user behavior. This data is invaluable for refining your strategies and making informed decisions. Finally, let's talk about the importance of staying updated. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving. New tools, trends, and algorithms emerge regularly. Following industry blogs, attending webinars, and networking with other professionals can keep you ahead of the curve. In summary, a digital marketing crash course covers SEO, content marketing, social media, email marketing, PPC, analytics, and the importance of continuous learning. Each component plays a vital role in creating a comprehensive strategy that drives results. Embrace these elements, and you'll be well on your way to mastering digital marketing.